World Breastfeeding Week or WBW is an annual celebration which is held every year from 1st to 7th August in more than 120 countries. World Breastfeeding Week was first celebrated in 1992 by World Alliance for Breastfeeding Action, in short WABA. The headquarters of WABA is in Penang, Malaysia, and the founder is Anwar Fazal, and it was founded on 14th February 1991. WABA is responsible for the Baby Friendly Hospital initiative and so much more. Some of the ways WABA supports, protects, and promotes breastfeeding is through supporting mothers to start and continue to breastfeed, educating fathers, young people, healthcare workers, and the community, participating in policy making and the enforcement of laws and healthcare policies that protect and support breastfeeding mothers. Each year, WABA designs a new theme and slogan to represent World Breastfeeding Week. The new theme is meant to emphasize and bring awareness to a particular aspect of breastfeeding while building upon the topics of the past. Some of the past themes cover a range of topics from health, education, breast milk, human rights, and many more. And this year's topic is Support Breastfeeding for a Healthier Planet. So why breastfeeding is important? As per World Health Organization, breastfeeding provides every child with the best possible start in life. It delivers health, nutritional, and emotional benefits to both the children and mothers, and it forms part of a sustainable food system. Breastfeeding is not just vital for children, but it also decreases the risk of mothers developing breast cancer, ovarian cancer, type 2 diabetes, and heart diseases. Breastfeeding also helps new mothers to lose weight effectively. So this year, UNICEF and WHO together are calling on governments to invest to make skilled breastfeeding counseling available to every woman. Train healthcare workers, including midwives and nurses, to deliver skilled breastfeeding counseling to mothers and families. Ensure that counseling is made available as a part of routine health and nutrition services that are easily accessible. Partner and collaborate with civil society and health professional associations, building strong collaborative systems for provision of appropriate counseling. Protect healthcare workers from the influence of the baby food industry.